Well guys, Lily's been out pretty much all day. I could put her home and give her a feed, but I just thought, well, maybe she'll eat out. I don't know, but I can give it a go. And no, actually I won't, because I'd rather it be home. Lily will eat out, so, but I'd rather put her home, and then I'll come back to her. Okay, well, I'm back. I've put Lily back because just because I've got to cook the boys' tea, and yeah, I'd just rather be settled in there and doing okay, and I know she's home and all's good with her, so I'm pretty sure she'll eat up. Oh, okay, it's a mouse. It's a mouse. Okay. Oh my goodness, because I'm leaning so far away. Yeah. There you go. There you go, Bubba. Oh, always when I'm leaning so far away, she decides to take her time and not take it immediately, and my goodness, that is so Lily. Well, don't be frightened of it. You know what it is, don't you? Are you not really? And this is kind of me, not me. This is Lily telling me that she's not overly hungry. More than anything, she's not overly hungry, because when she is, she'd snatch it straight off the tongs. But just gonna leave it there, and I'm sure if she wants it, she'll just pick it up. If she doesn't, she'll go around it. She'll totally ignore it. And I'm not hungry, not interested. And if that be the case, then I just don't bother. And that is kind of telling me Lily can't be bothered. And it's got nothing to do with the fact that there's been a rat anywhere near this, because there hasn't. And sometimes that can be the case for Lily. But she's not coming at it, then she's not interested. There you go. So much for feeding Lily. She tells me what for, I tell you. Well, as you can see, she decided to eat, but in her own sweet time. Yeah, that's Lily. From the tip of her tail to the top of her head, Lily just decides to do it the way that she chooses to do it. And she didn't want me offering them to her tonight. She decided that she'll take it all by herself, thank you very much. And you're not going to feed me, thank you. So I've just left him laying there. She can help herself. That's what my Lily can do. And she'll grab that one. Yeah, you can open your meal. Good girl. Very good. There you go. She's all good. She'll, yeah, she was obviously hungry, but not when I was going to feed her. Little Miss Independent, my girl is. So it's only a short little video of Lily having a meal. That's it, guys. It's all about taking care of yourself, your family. Just feed the family. Now I'm feeding Lily. Ciao. You know what, guys? I'm switching the camera back on. I think Lily's up to 8, but I realised, she realised, I didn't really realise, but I thought out a pack that had no label on it, and to me they looked like mice, because from memory they were mice. But guess what, guys? They weren't mice. They were blinking rats. And Lily knew, hey, that's not a mouse. That's a rat. And taking a closer look, she was dead on. So, you know, as much as I wanted to get back on them, I can't fool her. And I wasn't trying to, believe me, I wasn't trying to. But she knew that that wasn't a mouse. And now, even though these ones are, because I got a packet out that said mice, adult mice, she has been so, is it or isn't it? And it's not like she just snatches and grabs it. She checks it out from top to bottom, and then she'll open her mouth and take it. So she's like, you're not going to fool me into thinking that that's a mouse again. So as to Lily, I got it wrong, she got it right. So how I'm ever going to get her to rats, I'll never know. She just absolutely despises them. So she's only got one more mouse. Ultimately she said about 9, but they aren't very big, guys. So, you know, our adult mice are tiny little things, but hopefully that's filled her belly up. So ciao.